Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in today's video we have a haul. We had a grand opening store. I'm so happy. So now I have a little bit more options, but it is a small store. Anyway, it is a small haul. Let's jump right into it, guys, and let me show you what I got. So I'm really happy we got another store, but it's not a big store. But I got some really good buys, guys. Alright, so here's the first thing I got. A crochet needle. I crochet, but I am just like so happy. They had knitting needles, and I was just so ecstatic that they had these items. I used to have to go to Michael's for these items, guys. I got a needle for $1. I couldn't believe it. All sizes for knitting and for crocheting. So I was looking for these gem stickers in the clear. They only had one left, and so I grabbed the one that they had left and then a gold one because I love embellishing with those. Then I grabbed one of these guys. These are the fancy stickers. These are the perfume bottles. I love these guys. I love the one with the ornaments, and I think they have multiple ones. The bottles and something else. The ornaments, the bottles, the perfume, guys, you know what I'm talking about. So I got one of these. So let me just lay this down. Okay. So I'm absolutely loving the Pom Poms. Usually you get the multicolor or the neon, all those colors that I don't like using. So I like the fact that they are doing them plain now. So I grabbed one bag in the white and one bag in the black. Okay, the same thing with the chenille stems, guys. The white and the black is easier for me to use, so I grabbed one of each. Then, guys, look at this. Okay, yes, they have the 3-pack of the letters, the signs, the galvanized metal signs, but these are the single ones, and look how huge they are. So this one says home. Okay, so it's not the 3-pack, but I'm really liking the size, and they're much more sturdier. So the only two they had at this Dollar Tree, well, this is the at the new Dollar Tree, is this the home one and the happy. So I'm hoping they come out with more because, you know, I'm hoping they come out with more than just happy because I'd like to use this in combination with something else. But I'm absolutely happy that they have this option. So I did grab this time around a bag of the flower gems. I don't normally use them, but I thought I can incorporate them in my decorating since I've been doing a lot of gemstone decorating. Then I needed some sponge dabbers, so I grabbed a small bag of those. And then, guys, well, they bought this at the other Dollar Tree that's closer to my house, but I grabbed a bag of each of these. These are iridescent beads, guys. So you have the pink. So I grabbed one bag of these, see how I work with those, because these are also, they're iridescent, guys, but you can see right through them. But anyway, they're real pretty. So let's see. So I grabbed one of those. Here, the blue ones are a little bit bigger than the pink ones. And then the clear, or the white ones, I'm going to say clear, are the smallest ones. So they do come in sizes. So I grabbed one bag of each. Then I love embellishing with their bags, and you know, I absolutely love Hello Gorgeous, and I'm loving the leaves, okay, or the plants around it. So I got one of these bags for embellishing. So one side is always with the glitter or shiny, and then the other side is more matte. So I embellish with both, so that's fine. So I grabbed one of those bags. And then this one says made to shine. Isn't that a beautiful message? And that's a nice color too. So again, you have the message on both sides. One side is shiny and the other side is always matte finish. Okay, then they brought the mirrors back, guys, so I'm not going to point that at you, but I just grabbed one. And it is a lot smaller than it used to be, but I have a craft in mind for that. Okay. So guys, you know I stock up on my glue at the Dollar Tree, so I just grabbed, they go very quickly. I have a box of them, but they do go very quickly because I use a lot of glue. So I grabbed, what is that, 5. So I grabbed 5 of those. Okay, so here's another bag of the clear iridescent ones. Okay, so I have two of the white ones and then one of the blue and one of the pink. I'm sorry. Here's another one. I went to two Dollar Trees, guys, so so I grabbed another one of the pink. So I have two of the white ones, guys, and now two of the pink. And I always stock up on the letters. We haven't had those in a while, and you only get one letter of each. So every time I see these, I grab them from my box. Okay, so I grabbed two of those. And now this is new, guys. This is a pencil and brush organizer. So not so much for the pencils, but for my brushes and my markers for crafting. I thought this was a neat idea. Okay, I have them in jars right now, but I thought this was a neat idea. In any case, if I can't use it, I could always give that away. Okay, so now I've been looking for the felt letters, guys. Let me show you what I got. I've been looking for the felt letters in the black. I should have grabbed a bunch of them when they first came out, and I didn't because I'm using them to embellish everything. Well, this Dollar Tree just had one bag of the whites, so they have all of the numbers and all of the colors, but the black is so hard to, actually all the letters, guys, are hard to find. So I grabbed the only bag they had in the red. Then I grabbed the tag signs. So here's a chalkboard tag in the round, so I grabbed one of these, and then the chalkboard tag in the tag shape. And I always get the sponge brushes in this size. So I don't like the multi-pack. I like the idea that they have this. So I grabbed one of those. And then as far as what I could find in gems, let me show you. Okay, guys, well, they have these mini container bottles. So I thought I could use them for craft. I'm still trying to figure this out. If I can't, I'm going to give it to my daughter because she does a lot of crystals and all that kind of stuff, so maybe she can use them. So I grabbed one of these. Now for embellishing purposes, I thought I'd try one of these Starburst ones. I believe that's one of them is black and the other one looks more like I don't know, like a brown, and then of course in between is the clear. But I thought I can use this to try to embellish. And then these are one of my favorite labels, guys, because they remind me of burlap. I love that. These labels are so nice. You get so many of them in the pack. You get 40 of them in one pack. So then I like these. Now, guys, this is by, who makes this? It says DIY Fashion Gems. And it comes with the glue in the back. And they're studs. And so they come in the gold, bronze, I think that's copper. I'm not sure. Bronze, gold, and silver. So I grabbed one of those. Then they also have the same one with the glue in the back, and these are the pearls. So I grabbed one of those. Now here's a Choc Rider, and for the longest time I didn't notice the metallic. Okay, I just saw it as a white Choc Rider, but this is a metallic white pen. So I got one of the metallics, and then here's a Choc Rider for the board, for the chalk board. So I got one of those. And then Heidi Swapp stickers. So I saw this pack, and I'm absolutely loving this pack of, I know they're planner stickers, but I love this one. It has all sorts of stuff and even sayings, and I love this one. So I grabbed this pack. It's literally 686 stickers in this, you know, and yeah, so now the Dollar Tree has a lot of her stuff. And then I grabbed some of the blue because I couldn't find the clear. I only got the one pack, so I grabbed one of the blue. So now at the new Dollar Tree, because they kind of mixed in two Dollar Trees, so this is the new Dollar Tree. So now they brought these pumpkins out, guys, with the initials. So I grabbed one with the A initial, and I think it's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? They had multiple different kinds, guys. I just grabbed one. Then I saw this. I thought this was really nice. I like the idea of the calendar and the blocks. And this is in the house shape. I know they had other shapes, but I grabbed this one. So you can change out the December to whatever month it is and then change the day. I like this, guys. I thought that was really cute, so I grabbed one of those. Then the pumpkin they came out with last year, all of those came back out. This is the only one that was different, so I just grabbed one of these. And it's in the green. It says eat, drink, and give thanks. That's a beautiful color green. Okay, so I got that. Now these tea light holders I got for a craft, guys. I got 2 of them. So I grabbed this, I grabbed these. These are absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? They're so elegant looking. So it's black with the gold on the top, and I'm going to use this in a craft, so I grabbed 2 of them. Now also what's been scarce, guys, is the gems. I cannot find the clear gems anywhere. I'm going to have to go online and order them from the Dollar Tree. But they did have 2. These are the only ones they had left. 2 of the red and then 2 of the blue. So I grabbed all 4 of those. So this is my haul, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. If you like the video, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video.